Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna be doing some night driving today. Filling up right now. I'm gonna meet up some friends at the Touge at Mount Wilson. So we're gonna test out these new fog lights. It's gonna be pretty awesome. So here we are at the top of Mount Wilson. Let me get the light on for you. There she is. Overall, pretty fun run up here. The lights have been super bright. I'll show you a demonstration of that. And you can see the city of Glendale and Pasadena down below. So pretty cool. Cool place to hang out with some friends. So waiting for my friends to get up here. So here's a demonstration of the lights, and you can see it just lights up the whole road. Really sensitive on the signs, which is great, and I can really see the floor and what's kind of right in front of me. So the Baja design lights are really great, and you can see how bright they are. They're just overloading the sensor, but damn, are they working. That's not even the headlights on. So who are you?
Oh, my name is Kelvin Ariola. You know, I run a part-time YouTube channel, very small.
And what you got here?
I'm just showing you my bag. My vlog bag. So I got all my cables here, USB Type-C, micro, battery packs, right, if I want to charge.
Nice.
Extra light, microphones, wireless mics, you know, got the receiver.
When did you use it?
This?
Yeah.
Whenever I do an interview or at the track, when it's loud, it blocks a lot of background noise. Right now I might not need it because it's very quiet out.
But big difference, right?
Yeah, extra batteries.
Nice.
Charger, extra GoPro batteries, and all my mounts, right? So I like these mounts because you can mount this onto your tow hook or your shock.
Aluminum?
No, it's yeah, I think it's aluminum.
It's like a cast aluminum.
Only thing, it sucks because it rattles. So I recorded at the track and this thing was bouncing around.
Oh, making noise in the
yeah,
GoPro.
so I just probably put an O-ring or something.
I was exactly gonna say that.
Yeah,
So
just a dip in it. Maybe throw some grease on there. But yeah,
sick.
you know, I like this because it keeps it organized and I mean, keeps it nice and neat.
I like it, man. And it rolls up or something?
Yeah, you just
sick.
roll it up. Right there.
Fruit roll up?
Roll it up. Fruit roll up. But I just roll it up. I don't clip it. I mean, I can clip it. The hoses. That's it. Oh, look, it gloves. That's what the sharp.